Namaskar. I'm Nandita Pandey on this side, and today I'm going to talk about the beautiful Parv of Nag Panchami. What all you can do on Nag Panchami day, how it is celebrated. In northern part of India, it is celebrated the 5th day of the Shukla Paksha of Shravana Mas, which is falling on the 25th of July 2020 this year. But many places it is also celebrated on Krishna Paksha Panchami Tithi, so that is 5th day of Krishna Paksha of Shravan Mas. Right now I'm going to talk about the 25th of July, how you're going to celebrate Nag Panchami day. The Tithi is starting from 24th of July to 2:33 p.m. onwards, and it will continue till 25th July till 12:01 p.m. That is, the Udaya Tithi is falling on 25th of July, so Nag Panchami will be celebrated on 25th of July. What all you can do during Nag Panchami? So you can keep a fast on Nag Panchami. A lot of married women keep a fast and tie Molly as a Rakhi to snake gods and seek their blessings, so that all through the year there is protection and prosperity in their home front. So that is one thing that you can do, but you also have to be careful that whenever you're doing Abhishekam of Nagadev, that you have to first do Abhishekam of Shivlinga. After that, then you should do Abhishekam of Nagadevta. There are 8 principal Nagadevtas that are offered prayers on this day of Nag Panchami, and they are named as Anant, Mahapadma, Padma, Vasuki, Karkat, Takshak, Shankh and Kulir. So these are the 8 snake gods that offered puffed rice grains along with milk and sugar. That is the Abhishekam that is done on Shivlingam and also on Nagdevtas, that you can do. And if your Rahu is debilitated in your chart, or Rahu is malefic in your chart, or Ketu is debilitated or malefic in your chart, this is a beautiful day to expiate all the negativity from your life, offering prayers to Nagdevta, the snake gods, and Shivlingam, that is also offering prayers to Lord Mahamrityunjay. You can invoke Lord Mahamrityunjay, seek his blessings, and then offer prayers to all these snake gods and seek their blessings as well. Offering male and female snakes made in silver to Shivlingam on the day of Nag Panchami is a very powerful remedy to expiate the negativity of Rahu and Ketu in your horoscope and in your lives as well. So if you have that fear of snakes, a lot of snakes that come in your dream, because there is a lot of fear that gets imbibed in your life, then this is a beautiful remedy to follow. There are a lot of people who also release male and female snakes from a snake hounder. They buy it from him and then they release it in the forest so that they are set free, and this is another way to expiate the negativity from life and get blessings of snake gods, so that peace and prosperity is bestowed upon you. So these are beautiful remedies that you can follow. Wearing Rudraksha is also another important aspect that you can do on this day. You can chant Mahamrityunjaya mantra and then cleanse and energize Rudraksha by bathing it with Panchamrit first, and then with unboiled milk, and then with Ganga Jal, and then offering Roli, Chandan, Akshat to the Rudraksha, and then later on wearing the Rudraksha after chanting the Mahamrityunjaya mantra 216 times, that is 2 malas. So this is another powerful remedy that you can follow during Nag Panchami day, so that most of your problems and health issues and anxieties and stress and difficulties are expiated from your life. Reading Nav Nag Strot is also very powerful remedy to follow on Nag Panchami day. And beyond all this, if you still feel that you need to cleanse the energies, you need to be empowered with this positive aspect of Nag Panchami day, so you should chant the following mantra at least 216 times, so that it can be energized and create a powerful aspect in your life. The mantra would be Om Kuru Kulye Hum Fat Swaha. Om Kuru Kulye Hum Fat Swaha. So chant this mantra 216 times, and when you chant it, it gets energized. And after that, whenever you have those bad dreams or you are having difficulties in your life, you can chant this mantra and it will help you in expiating your problems. How to perform puja on Nag Panchami? The first thing that you should do in the morning is take a bath, cleanse yourself, and then create a space and altar for Nagadevtas. You can put the Shivlingam in the center with Nagadevta and the Trishul along with it. But if it is not possible, then you can create a drawing of Nagadevta on the wall. Normally people, the cow dung base, and on top of it they use coal to create a sketch of snakes on it. And also in front of your house, on both the sides of the main door, Nag with 5 hoods is drawn on both the sides, and a mixture of puffed rice along with unboiled milk and sugar is offered to them in front of your main door as well, and also the altar that you've created for them. If it is not possible for you to have cow dung and coal, you can also take a small thick thread and then make 8 knots in it, each knot representing one snake god. That you can create one knot and invoke Nagadevta Anant, the second knot and invoke the Nagadevta Vasuki, the third knot invoke Nagadevta Padma, the fourth knot invoke Nagadevta Mahapadma, and accordingly so on and so forth. And when you use an offer prayer, so offer a mixture of sugar, puffed rice and unboiled mix to this dory, form it in a coiled form so that it represents a snake with a hood. Chant Mahamrutyunjaya mantra. It is very important to offer Shivji the Abhishekam first, then only Nagdevta is offered any kind of prayers and any kind of Naivedya. So these are basic small tips that you can follow and enjoy the day, seek divine blessings, and as you connect with Mother Nature, the more you connect with Mother Nature blesses you in many forms. Nagadevtas are also considered to be the protector of divine wealth. So when you invoke them, you also energize that particular aspect of your life and you are blessed with a lot of peace and a lot of prosperity in your life. So have a beautiful Nag Panchami, have a beautiful day. I'll come back again and make few more videos like these. Stay blessed, stay safe. God bless you. Atma Namaste.